She used to tell you everything. Now she keeps things to herself, gives surface-level answers, or shares important stuff with her friends instead of you. You've become someone she guards herself around instead of opens up to. If you're tired of being shut out of her inner world and want to rebuild that trust, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll learn the 4 behaviors that create safety and the 3 behaviors that destroy it. Here are the 4 behaviors that make her feel safe to share anything. Behavior 1, respond with curiosity, not judgment. When she shares something vulnerable, your first response should be a question that invites more, not a reaction that shuts it down. Tell me more about that beats, why would you do that, every single time. Behavior 2, validate before you advise. Before offering your perspective or solutions, acknowledge her experience. That makes sense you'd feel that way, shows you're with her before you redirect her. When she feels seen first, she's open to your input second. Behavior 3, protect her vulnerabilities. If she shares something personal, don't bring it up later in an argument or joke about it with others. When she knows her secrets are safe with you, she'll trust you with more of them. Behavior 4, stay calm when she shares hard things. If she tells you something that triggers you, maybe she's upset with you or made a mistake, your composure in that moment determines whether she'll ever risk sharing again. Breathe, stay grounded, respond thoughtfully. Here's your actionable insight. Create a weekly safe space ritual. Pick a consistent time each week where you say, I want to hear what's really going on with you. Anything on your mind that you haven't felt like saying. Then just listen, without fixing, judging, or taking things personally. This builds the muscle of emotional safety. Now here are the 3 behaviors that destroy safety. Destroyer 1, criticizing her for how she feels. You're being too sensitive. Or, that's a dumb thing to worry about, teaches her to hide her feelings from you. Every emotion she has is information about her inner world. Dismissing it closes that world to you. Destroyer 2, making her disclosures about you. She shares something vulnerable and you say, well, what about when you... Now she has to manage your feelings instead of expressing hers. Her vulnerability becomes emotional labor for her. Destroyer 3, unpredictable reactions. Sometimes you're calm when she shares, sometimes you blow up. This inconsistency makes vulnerability feel like Russian roulette. She never knows which version of you she'll get, so she stops risking it. The transformation happens when you become predictably safe. Not perfect, safe. She knows that when she shares something with you, you'll receive it with care, not judgment. You'll stay present, not reactive. You'll protect what she tells you, not weaponize it later. Many men don't realize they've become emotionally unsafe until their wife has already shut down. The good news is safety can be rebuilt. It starts with one conversation where you prove you can handle her full truth without making her regret sharing it. Then another, then another. Over time, the walls come down. Start practicing today. When she shares anything, even something small, treat it like it matters. Stay curious. Validate first. Keep calm. Protect her words. Show her that your presence is a safe place for her heart. That's how you move from being shut out to being let in. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.